Madico has been manufacturing safety and security films for well over 50 years. The SafetyShield program was developed in the late 1990s following acts of terrorism in the United States. SafetyShield is a system of films and attachment systems to enhance glass to hold it together in the event that it's broken, for safety glazing, windstorm mitigation, intrusion resistance, and blast mitigation. SafetyShield stands out in the marketplace because it offers the best clarity and the most rigorously tested product. From our research and development, coating and laminating, training and distribution, it all happens here at Madico.
Our films are meant for residential, commercial, government, small businesses. Anywhere where there's glass, our films and systems can help. What we try to do is protect the people and the property inside these facilities by providing the films and systems that will keep the glass from entering the space, harming people. SafetyShield is an industry standard, not only because of its extensive testing, but because of the training that we do with our partners. Not only do we have testing for different situations such as blast, intrusion protection, windborne debris, but we also do a 3-day training seminar with our partners so as they're ready to apply the right films to the right situations. As things have become more uncertain day to day with different threats coming at us, it's really exciting that we have products that we can stand behind and that will protect people and give people peace of mind when they're in their homes or their places of work.